Get ready for some big time crashes. We're also going to be opening the Hot Wheels Monster Jam Monster Truck Surprise Treasure Box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. Hey guys, what's going on? In today's Hot Wheels Monster Jam Monster Truck Video Game Challenge video, we got to hunt down some bad guys that took the surprise treasure box. And what we got to do is we got to crash 15 of the bad guys to win back the surprise Monster Jam Monster Truck treasure box. And then we'll open up a new Hot Wheels monster truck. Alright, we're going to pick out the old school police truck because it looks really awesome. Hopefully we can take out 15 of the bad guys so we can win back the Monster Jam treasure box. Here we go. Alright, we're going to do some burnouts to get our tires warmed up. Alright, we just got to call in on the police radio. They've located the bad guys. Let's go get them. I'm going to buckle my seatbelt up. I'm sure glad this police truck has turbos. We're going to need it. I bet they got the Hot Wheels Monster Jam Monster Truck treasure box in one of their trunks. I wonder which one of them's got it. Whoa, these guys are trying to take me out. Oh no! Oh, big crash. I'm glad I had my seatbelt on. I called the police department on my radio and they dropped me off a new police truck. Let's go get them. Alright guys, we're going to get some payback. Don't forget, we got to get 15 of them to get the treasure box back. Yes, that was a 2-for-1 special. Yeah, we got another one. Here we go. We're on a roll. We got 3. There's another one. Yes. Whoa, big time crash. We're taking them out like crazy. We want our Hot Wheels Surprise Monster Truck treasure box back. Oh yeah, another one. Whoa, what a crash! Uh-oh, we got stuck right there. We gotta get some speed back up. They're getting away from us. Oh! That's my second police truck that I took out. Hopefully they can get me another one out here real fast. Here we go. Bam! There we go. We got another one. We got 12. 2 in a row, it says. We're starting to run out of time, though. We've only got 16 seconds, 14 seconds left. We just got to get one more, but we only got like 9 seconds. That was it, the 15th one. Yes. Yeah, and we took that guy out just so he couldn't get away. And we've won back the Hot Wheels Monster Jam Monster Truck Surprise Treasure Box. It's time to open the treasure box. Don't forget, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I can't wait to see which monster truck we get out of the treasure box. Let's see who we get. Check it out, it's the new Avenger for 2018 and it comes with the recrushable crush car. Let's open this bad boy up. Check out that awesome paint scheme. Avenger's always got really cool paint jobs on his monster trucks. Totally awesome. Here's the Recrushable Crush Car. Really cool. Here goes Avenger over the Crush Cars. Let's see how he can do. Check it out. Total destruction. Doing some big time donuts. Check out those backflips. Wow, what a crash. Whoa, he takes out the school bus. Avenger is one really cool Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster truck. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel.